And once again, like I said, welcome. We are doing this raw for you guys to see. So today we'll be talking about pullback. All right, you guys have heard the word pullback, right? Guys have heard the word. I think I need to. So you guys have heard the word pullback, right? Before in Forex space, whereby everybody keeps saying pullback, pullback, pullback. Why? Why is that? Is because they are not telling you guys how it works. Okay, they are not telling you guys how it works. The concept of pullback is just swing high and swing low, right? If you remember, I talk in trend, how trend moves, right? I said trend moves in three movements. Is either going up, is either going down, or is either consolidating, right? So in price movement, if we're going to the upside, once price goes to the upside, comes down to filling a demand zone or bunch or where people are falling, or any supply zone or discount zone, any zone you want to call it. As like I said, all these are fucking stupid names. Just say once price goes up, it will come down to a level whereby there is plenty of orders to fill. Then from there, it fills in those orders, then moves back again. It moves to the upside. Then if you move to the upside, you as a trader, you won't buy at this tip, right? You won't buy at this tip because it won't make any sense for you to buy at this tip, right? You need to make sure price comes down again to where orders are much. So tapping those orders and filling your orders before going to the upside, then you won't miss out or you won't get stole or stop out along the way. You see, these are pullback work, and I actually discussed it at my class, and I want to actually drop some tips here. I feel some people actually need this. Okay, and pullback is actually a good way to stack up your position and a good way to actually know what the price is doing. Okay, now sometimes you see, okay, some people will still get this struggle of how to get into a chart, whereby I'll show you guys in soon. Like I said, guys, remember Forex is all trading is up and down. So if you want to make sure to get the concept of this trade also, like I said, just flip your chart whereby you'll be able to see this is also a downtrend and it's also an uptrend. So no must join. If I'm joining anything up, flip your chart, guys. Flip your fucking chart. Trading is up and down. It's a spiritual game, man. It's up and down, okay? But this type of game, yes, I'm very excited teaching you guys this. But this type of game, if you mistake in this game, for every mistake you make, you pay with $1. You get that point? Every mistake you pay with $1, not apology. So, guys, you are coming to this space and you are not ready to pay for every mistake you are willing, then you are not ready to make money, then so ready to pay for every mistake you're about to make. So rather limit your mistake and listening more on what is actually going on the chart. So let me show you guys on the real chart how this will look like. Okay guys, you can see we have a clear movement here whereby price hit a resistance zone, came back. See, we broke this high, then price came back again to where orders are much, then tapping those orders, then move again. You guys can see this. These are it works. You seen it? Sometimes it comes beautiful, sometimes it doesn't come beautiful. That's why we call it candlestick. Sometimes your candle gets melt, sometimes it comes full. So that's it looks like. Okay, sometimes it comes down, sometimes it comes very beautiful. So this is it, guys. If you just take your trend line and start drawing, you see we still also have a good market structure and a good pullback, right? also got a good market structure and a good pullback. So this is how it will look like, but let me cross it like this so you guys can see it properly. So this is how it look like. So if we should take a trade here, this is how it will look like. Because we waited for the pullback and we're targeting the recent low and all that, get back. So this is our pullback work. There's no much concept about it. Just wait for price to fill you in. And also this is also a sweet concept whereby you can also use to stack up more. And I did talk this on, or I did mention of this at my Telegram channel, whereby I talked about how you guys can get in a trade with a pullback strategy, and how you guys can get out of a trade with a pullback strategy. Because all this, they call it, people keep using the word strategy. I call it up and down, because the game is still up and down. The same thing, your pullback strategy, once you saw it, it might turn your a reversal pattern whereby I'll be like, okay, this is time for me to get off of this chart. So that's just it. It just make the whole thing about trading concept, they make it with different language, so you guys can get confused or bombard yourself with everything. Anything in trading, you all keep saying up and down. When price goes up, it goes up. When price comes down, it comes down. Just keep it to your level or to your mental level, so you guys don't get confused with everything that they are saying in the chat. Okay, and stick to one rule. If you found this video very helpful, guys, hit that subscribe button and so like and comment, guys. It's not easy. I'm very I think I need to be singing this out there, right? I need to just be singing it out right there, because people doesn't listen. This is what I've actually discussed this on 3 major videos, whereby if you just listen to those videos properly, you understand everything about trading, you understand the concept, everything on that 3 video. So everything I'm actually doing here is actually discussing things on that 3 video again, just for you guys to get the concept. Because yes, we say, okay, due to the hours it's done, people are getting tired and everything, so I'm breaking down to at most 10 minutes each for each section, so you guys can actually get the concept about it. Keep it to the basics, don't listen to noise. Okay, everything out there is noise. If you are watching one video from a comment from YouTube, focus on the guy's video, focus on much on what he's doing, see how you can relate with it. If it doesn't work for you, then you move to the next one, or you can watch it just to get a good understanding on what you're actually aiming for. Okay, guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and drop a comment on what video you guys want me to do next for you guys about Forex, and I'll be glad to share more insights on it for you. If now where it passed my power, or say it passed my power, okay? But anything you want to actually ask me, the door is open and my channel is free. There'll be my Telegram channel link will be under this video, whereby you can easily contact me on Telegram and talk to me on how trading is for you guys. See you on the next video, and let's get to work.